what do you think of the idea of like maybe every 6 months, every few months, both sides get together and have a dialogue and talk about the issues, whether it's rap, music, hip hop, or stuff going on in the streets?
Hell yeah. That's how it's supposed to be. Like, I mean, we Crips, man. You know what I'm saying? The Damu's been in the game for years and handling it. You know what I'm saying? So it's time for us niggas to step up. You know what I'm saying? And become leaders and bosses. You know what I'm saying? Voices. You know what I'm saying? Speak about how you feel or what you don't believe in. And I believe it should be that way, and it can happen if somebody else approach the situation. You know what I mean? That'll be a good round table. But, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna take more than just Lil Sodi voice and the death of Nip, you know what I'm saying, to bring us all together and to sit there and be able to chop it up. It can happen. AD, my nigga, I can sit here and chop it up with AD. You know what I'm saying? I respect. He did a shout out to me for my son, rest in peace. You know what I'm saying? How real is that? And I could never turn on that man. You know what I'm saying? Seen him at the motorcycle thing. We was chilling, you know what I'm saying? Some shit happened, he came to get me. And I'm marching side to side with him to see if everything good. Niggas was trying to say we was getting into it at the motorcycle thing, but it wasn't nothing. See how it be? When they see, that 60's here and 8 trays here, woo woo. No, it ain't gotta be that way. And then at the motorcycle events, you don't do that. You don't bring the bang in there. You leave that shit on the outside, you feel me? So, yeah, it should be that way, bro. We should be able to have a round table every 6 months, real reputables and factors, homie.
Now, I think AD's actually been pretty proactive in the last, even before Nip, with bridging the gap and having dialogue with other brothers.
Yeah, he a factor. He ain't just a reputable. It's a difference. You know what I'm saying? They gonna do more for him than a regular nigga. Like, they gonna do more for me than a regular nigga. More for Baby Sodi than a regular nigga. More for Farboy or any other homies. You know what I'm saying? Newborn Grump, or, you know what I'm saying, real homies out here that niggas love. It's so many homies locked up that I can mention, from Boo Boo to iRock and Tiny Sad, that I love, that, you know what I'm saying, that supposed to be here to see this shit, but they praying and working on coming home, you know what I'm saying? They want to be a part of this movement, this new shit, because they real reputables. They know what's going on already. You know what I'm saying? We know niggas ain't our real enemies. The police when they was there, we didn't even need them. They was just standing in the rain. Wasn't even a lot of them, but they was looking like, damn, it ain't nothing going on, no riot, no. These niggas is, Crips and Bloods marching and walking together. We don't need y'all to police our community, really.
The Nation of Islam was there and they had everything.
Yeah, shout out to the Nation of Islam. They was there, and they, you know what I'm saying, helped us keep the peace. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know, man. All these police shootings and shit like that. It's time for us to wake up. You know what I'm saying? They starting to shoot at us. They helping us kill us.
Yeah. Now, before we move on from Nip, I gotta mention that not too long ago, earlier this year, maybe it was one of your younger homies decided to go over there and write on the mural. And hit up on the mural. At first, people were like, that might be the police instigating it. But when I went and saw it, and I saw that Far West, and I saw the style of it, I was like, nah, that's a real A Trey that wrote that.
Hey, but it was just like, why would the fuck you go do that? You know what I'm saying? Out of all these months and days that it's just been up there, nobody been tripping, why would you go do that, man? You know what I'm saying? And it was like disrespectful to a dead person, you know what I'm saying? I respect the dead, because I'm a child of God, you know what I'm saying? So it was only right for me to go and fix that. You know what I mean? Not being scary or none of that. You know what I'm saying? It's out of respect, homie, as being a real nigga. Because I know if that shit would have happened to my mural on the wall, and my homies hit AD and Big U, like, man, what's up, cuz? It's going to be a respect thing, man, you know what I'm saying? Or they going to hit us first, like, if they see it, like, man, we finna... Because they told me this out of their own mouth, you know what I'm saying? That's why I went over there and fixed that shit. Out of my pockets, me, my homie Ty Bud. Shout out to my homie Ty Bud.
Now, the artist of the mural hit me up, Carlos Gomez, one of the artists, and I got you on the phone with
Yeah.
one of the artists.
Thank you for that, man.
What did you guys talk about?
A lot, man. He was just like, damn, man, that's fucking crazy how you reached out and how you wanted to just fix it. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's real, man. I appreciate you, man. That was hard work. You know what I'm saying? We did, you know what I'm saying? And I'm so happy you reached out to, you know what I'm saying, to fix that, being his enemy. You know what I'm saying? It meant a lot to me, you know what I mean? For you to hook that up, you know what I'm saying, so I can be able to go fix that the right way.
Prior to us losing Nip in March of 2019, you actually lost one of your close ones, like real close ones.
Oh, yeah, Tiny J-Lo, man, Joseph. Like, man, one of my dogs. Like, if I go, he gonna go. If I swing, he gonna swing. Like, man. And then that shit was just crazy on how that shit happened. But God rest his soul. I love his family to death, man. And it was just crazy because I think when he died right after that, Nip died. You know what I'm saying? So it was boom, boom. And then before, not only that, another little homie died with Tiny J-Lo that night. The homie Young Country. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to him and his family, you feel me? And then my son came right after that. So it was just like bricks being thrown on top of my head.
So yeah, let's talk about your son. It was a fire in Arizona.
Yeah, Albuquerque.
Thanks for watching StreetTV.net. If you're not subscribed, please hit that button below and click the bell to receive alerts and notifications. Feel free to comment below so you can give us your feedback, and be sure to watch the 2 related episodes to the right. If you want to support this platform or follow us on social media, visit the links in the description. Thanks for watching StreetTV.net.